Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Julia RTV. I'm sorry that I'm not showing my face today. I'm not feeling too good. I'm running a fever, but I got my order in from my succulent corner, and I just wanted to do an unboxing, and hopefully you will like it. So let me get started because I don't feel too good. I'm a little dizzy. So the first one I see is my string of pearls. I'm not gonna undo the packaging, but it's very beautiful. Wow, that is gorgeous. I've never seen anything like this in real life. So I see a lot of people talking about it on YouTube, and yeah, I like it. I love it. So that's one. And this one, I don't know what this one is. They didn't hold on a second. I don't know what this one is. If you guys know, it has some kind of ID there. I don't know what that is. But wow, they look so pretty, so alive. So that's another one. Let me see if the paper says what it is. String of pearls. I don't know. The string of pearls. Don't want to show my information, but it says string of pearls, golden tail cactus, rare. I have no idea what that is. It says rare pendants cliffhanger. I have no idea what that is. 2-inch mother of millions plant, and that's like a cactus. And then over here is a peperomia ruby cascade. Oh, this is the ruby cascade. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at that, guys. That is pretty. I'm not taking it out of the packaging just now because I'm not feeling too good. And then this one is the I don't know what this one is, but I think it's the mother of millions cactus. Yeah, because it has those little thingies sticking out. Yeah, this is the mother of millions. So in those little, in every leaf, you get a succulent growing from it. I remember my mom when I was little, she had some of these in her plant collection. And I love the way she packed them. I requested that they pack it well. Oh, look at this one. I don't know what this one is. Look at that. And I am sorry if I'm doing a horrible job showing you the plants. Give me a second. I'm gonna take these fuzzy babies out. I don't know what this one is, but I'm gonna check it real quick. Let me see. This one should be the, not that one. This one should be the the pendants cliffhanger. It's gotta be that one. It says rare. I don't know how to pronounce that name, so I apologize. Well, look how pretty and so thick. Oh my gosh. The leaves are so thick. All right, so that's that. And is there another one? Oh, right here. Give me a second. This one is this one's the cactus. Forgot what it's called again. Look at that. Look at that. This one is the the golden tail cactus. I don't know how to pronounce that name. You go figure it out. But that's what that is. That's how it looks. Let me see if it focuses. It's not gonna focus. But yeah. But anyway, it looks something like that because I can't get it to focus. Let's see. It looks like that. That's a string of pearls. That was the rare cotyledon pendants cliffhanger. This was the 2-inch mother of millions. And this is the Pepperonia Ruby Cascade. So, Ruby Cascade, mother of millions. String of pearls. This is so pretty. I love it. And this one is the pendants, pendants. Oh my God. Cliffhanger. This one. And this one is the golden tail cactus. So, yeah. That's how it looks. And that's how it looks. And she sent me three of them. I love it. I like the way she packaged everything. And this is from my succulent corner. My succulent corner on Etsy. So thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you what I got today. And yeah. Not feeling too good. My kids had COVID. I didn't have it, but I'm not feeling good. My body hurts. But anyways, thank you for watching. Say a little prayer for me. I know it's a short video. I didn't show my face, but you hear me sniffling. I sound like an old man. So there are my succulents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you like to order it online, it's on Etsy, My Succulent Corner. And tell her Julia RTV sent you. And God bless you all. Say a prayer for me. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers that came from African Dreamin' channel. I appreciate this couple. I had a few new subscribers from that channel. I appreciate it. And if you're watching, thank you. I appreciate you. God bless you. And come back. Hopefully I feel better. And I'll make another video unboxing some other stuff that I purchased. All right. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.